Welcome back to Dad Deals. Today we'll be testing out the brand new Shop Vac from EGO. If you're not familiar, EGO is really one of the leading brands in these outdoor battery-powered tools. They have some really innovative stuff that rival their gas-powered or corded tool counterparts. And this one's no different. This is a beefed up, fully featured Shop Vac that I'm hoping can replace my trusty old one that probably one of the first things I ever bought when I bought my first home was this corded Shop Vac. So let's see how these compare and check out all the features this new EGO model has. So starting with the specs, this EGO Shop Vac has a 9-gallon capacity. It's 5 horsepower and is rated at 110 CFMs. And for comparison, my old Shop Vac has a 14-gallon capacity, but is only rated at 4.5 horsepower. And I have no idea what the CFM rating on this one is. I could not find it listed anywhere. But the EGO Shop Vac is much more powerful, so I'm going to assume it's less. The EGO Shop Vac has 3 modes. It has Eco Normal mode, it has High mode, and Turbo mode. And your battery runtimes on each of those is 60 minutes on Eco, 30 minutes on High, and 20 minutes on Turbo if you're using the included 5 amp hour battery. So right out of the box, this thing is built extremely well, which you come to expect from a brand like EGO. It comes with a ton of accessories, and the nice thing about this is there is no assembly required. Everything comes pre-assembled. It just lifts right out of the box. I also love that there is plenty of onboard storage for all of the accessories and hoses. That is something that my old Shop Vac really lacked. There is even extra storage space on this EGO if you are to get any extra tips or anything like that from stores like Harbor Freight or any of the accessory kits that they sell. So you can even expand upon the accessories that are provided. There's even storage underneath where you can fit those extension rods in. Kind of gives it that dual exhaust look, but I love that. That is just an awesome design. This also has 2 nice swivel casters, locking swivel casters in the front, as well as 2 big tires in the back. So this thing glides super smoothly and it's easy to wheel around wherever you need it. Another awesome design is that when you take off the lid, it actually has feet that it will sit on. So instead of it just resting on the filter or kind of toppling over, it fits nice and sturdy with the 4 feet that are included. Just a great design that you don't see often on these Shop Vacs. This Shop Vac can take these dust bags. They can just do a great job of keeping the inside of your Shop Vac totally clean. You can see that there is no debris in here whatsoever. They just slide in and out. Super easy to install. One sort of trick with these is when you're ready to empty them, instead of getting an entire new bag, you can actually make a cut right here and then empty it out and then fold it over and put like a clamp right there. And you can reuse these bags multiple times over and over. So you don't necessarily need a new bag every single time it fills up. So that's just a great way to save money because these can be kind of pricey. I think a 5-pack is around $30. Some other really great and unique features with this EGO Shop Vac is it actually has a push button that will clean the filter. So if you're dealing in a high dust area, you can push this a few times. It actually gives the effect of shaking out your filter without you even having to take it out or even open it up, which is awesome. And then the best feature of all with this Shop Vac is the remote control. So with the remote control, you can actually start and stop the vacuum. You can change to turbo mode, or it also has an integrated LED light. And this remote control is magnetic, so it sticks right to the front of the hose. So if you're in your vehicle, you're cleaning out a tight space, you can completely control the vacuum right from the end of the hose, which let me tell you is extremely useful and something I wish every Shop Vac had. And also the LED light on the remote actually lines up perfectly with their clear nozzle attachment, and that light beam will actually travel through it and go right to the tip. So if you're in a dark spot, it's going to give you perfect lighting exactly where you need it. And it's just features like that that make this really a premium Shop Vac. So let's see how this thing performs. I used this to clean out our minivan after a beach trip, and it had no problem sucking up all the sand and really getting this thing spotless. So here is an area of sand. I'm gonna do a pass on the high setting and also a pass on the turbo setting to see what is the difference. So turning it on. This is the high setting. And then now we're going to try the turbo setting. So here are the 2 passes. You have the high setting here and the turbo setting here. It's a little hard to tell because it's sand and it did move the sand around a little bit. The turbo setting was almost lifting the carpet off of the van. So that was a very powerful setting. I think I'll normally use it on just the high setting. Seemed to do just fine with one pass. But this thing just works really great at cleaning cars. I love the long hose. This has a 6-foot hose, which is about a foot longer than my old shop vac. So it really enabled me not to have to move the shop vac unit itself while I'm in the van cleaning. And I could really see this thing being the perfect shop vac if you are a mobile car detailer, or you're just a car detailer that doesn't want to have to deal with extension cords. But you can really tell that this thing was designed with car detailing in mind. So on to some tougher tasks. This thing had no problem picking up bolts and sucking them right up without any issue. And this is also a wet vac as well, so it can suck up 5 gallons of water super quickly and has no issue, and has a nice drain port in the back so you can quickly get that water out. All right, so let's do a quick water test here. Here I have a 5-gallon bucket of water, about 75% or so full. We also want to make sure that we remove our air filter before we put it in water mode to suck up the water so water doesn't get on our air filter. So now that that is done, let's see how quickly this thing can drain this bucket of water. So we're going to turn it on. We have it on the high speed. Let's try the turbo mode. So turbo speed. And here we go. That was insanely fast. That was insanely fast. It sucked all that water right up, pretty much just a little drop at the bottom. And that is pretty impressive. Here you can see the water in there. Like I said, it can do about 5 gallons of water at a time. That's about the capacity before it will shut itself off. And then when you're ready to drain the water, you have this nice plug right here that you can untwist. And all that water will drain right out. So just amazing power from a battery-powered shop vac. I can't believe it could do water that fast and that amount. So I can absolutely say that this thing is going to retire my old shop vac, and it can handle all the tasks that old shop vac did, the same if not better. My only critique to this EGO shop vac is I do wish it was hybrid. I wish you could have the option to put a power cord on it. And I also wish that if they did have that option, that this could be used as a battery charger. I think that'd be awesome to stick your EGO batteries on this thing, let them charge, and also be used as a shop vac at the same time. But with that being said, this is an excellent choice for a shop vac. It does come at a premium price. You can pick up this unit with the battery and charger for $500 over at Lowe's, or a little bit cheaper at $496 at Amazon. Or over at Amazon, you can opt for just the shop vac without the battery and charger for $300. So this is obviously not a cheap shop vac, but if you're part of that ecosystem already and those premium features are worth it to you, this is an excellent choice. So thanks to EGO for sending me this unit to test and try out. I hope this gave you a good look at it. I'll have links to Amazon and Lowe's in the description below. And as always, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will catch you next time on Dad Deals.